How to fix error_connection_refused error in Google Chrome browser. Here are some tips that would help you fix error_connection_refused error in Google Chrome browser. 1. Check if the website is alive. If not, wait and contact the site admin/owner. 2. Reboot your router, if any. 3. Clear your Chrome cache files. 4. Change the DNS. Server. 5. Other tips are, adjust your proxy settings as needed. Temporarily disable antivirus. And firewall software. Flush your DNS cache. Disable any outdated Chrome extensions. Remove, using the recommended uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall your Chrome browser.